This morning, the White House is acknowledging a setback, expecting now to fall short of President Biden's goal of vaccinating 70% of adults with at least one shot by July 4th. 18 to 26-year-olds particularly lagging behind.
The reality is many younger Americans have felt like COVID-19 is not something that impacts them, and they've been less eager to get the shot.
Vaccination efforts are now shifting from high-volume centers to local outreach and giveaways to reach hesitant young adults.
I don't feel like the vaccine is necessary to me.
And also it's not fully FDA approved, so I feel like once we have more information, I think I'll be more open to get it as well.
Nationwide, the number of new shots into arms has been trending down recently. So far, nearly 2/3 of American adults have received at least one dose. 20 states and D.C. are beating that national rate. But West Virginia, which once led in vaccinations, is now falling to the back of the pack. And 4 states, Mississippi, Louisiana, Wyoming, and Alabama, have yet to hit 50% vaccination rates. Those unvaccinated Americans particularly vulnerable to the highly contagious Delta variant, which now accounts for 20% of all new cases, doubling in just 1 week.
The Delta variant is currently the greatest threat in the U.S. to our attempt to eliminate COVID-19.
With children under 12 still not eligible for the vaccine, there's growing concern that more kids will catch and spread the mutated virus as states continue to drop COVID restrictions.
I think the reality is that kids are becoming more likely to be vectors of these new variants.
While it's too soon to tell if the Delta variant will be worse for children than other versions of the virus, some parents now worry schools will not be taking the extra precautions in the fall.
I see everything reopening and a lot of people sort of acting like it's over. And I keep remembering that my kid is under the age of 12 and therefore not yet vaccinated. So for him, it's not over yet.
Yeah, importantly here, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, and Pfizer are all running clinical trials to see how well kids under the age of 12 tolerate the vaccine, but that'll take a few more months before those vaccines are available for that age group.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.